you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. Okay, all right, back with another video. Y'all know we already had this one, but we went ahead and put these wheels on it and got the dash fixed. The dash cluster used to go out on these, so we went ahead and got the dash cluster fixed, got it rebuilt. It's the same one we've been having in the video, but we wasn't really doing nothing with it for the longest, so we just decided to go ahead and get it. It was already running. It wasn't like it was nothing wrong with it. It just sat there for the longest, so we decided to go ahead and put, like I said, put these wheels on here, because the wheels we had wasn't 16, but it was hard to find the tires for them. So Uncle Al had these over there, and you know, we work up a little deal that we usually do, and he wasn't using them, so he said, man, come on, get these wheels, and we'll work it out. And you know, we always do a little wheeling and dealing and trading, because that's what we do. But I think these wheels turn out pretty good on there. Like I said, not a new model or nothing like that, but I think it'll be a good base vehicle, or just a, you know, a little second base vehicle and for everyday driver, because I don't really have an everyday driver as far as, you know, nothing with a car audio system in it. Of course, we got that silver truck, it's a little everyday driver, but I want to take the time and better fix it up like I need it. So when I say fix it up, I mean repair like certain little stuff on it as far as maintenance wise, and cleaning it up and make it look real nice. And because I had hit a deer a while back in it, and it's been well, you can't really tell because, you know, it ain't really just that bad. But I want to get it painted and stuff like that, but I think this one is all right. Of course, y'all can see the headliner right there is a little rough, because like I said, it's an 03. So y'all let me know down below what y'all think. I already got this stunt wire back here, but it ain't I haven't put we had put it back together. Let me see, y'all might not can see it through there. As y'all can see, we didn't put it back together yet, but all the way, but we started it. So y'all let me know what y'all think down below. I think it looks pretty good. Like I said, it's not new, but it'll get the job done for what we're trying to do with it. Y'all be sure to like, subscribe. See y'all back on the next one.
You got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.